So guys, this is question number 30 which I am going to explain you about. It is the question number 30 is the calculate the product of all elements in an array. Okay. So step 1 what we do, we first define the input array. So in this step you define the input array for which you wanted to calculate the product. We set the array 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So as an example, so come to the step 2, initialize a variable for the product. Okay, so here you create a variable named product and initialize it to 1. This variable will be used to store the product of all element in the array. Okay, so come to the step 3. In the step 3, in this step you use a for loop to iterate through each element in the array. For each element you multiply it with the current value of the product variable. Okay, come to the step 4. Console.log you use to display the product of all elements in the array. So when you run this code with the input array 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it will show you the product of element is 7, 20. So this is question number 30 is over, and let's wait in the question number 31. Okay.